Hi, I'm Tsuyoshi Kashiyama, the CEO of MK Kashiyama. Thank you all for handling MK Kashiyama's brake pad and shoe over the years. MK Kashiyama has started in my grandfather's generation and celebrated its 60th anniversary in 2020. Since its founding, we have been developing and manufacturing brake pad and shoe for over 50 years. And now, our products are used over 80 countries worldwide, including Japan. In celebration of our 60th anniversary, MK Kashiyama has decided to change its brand logo for further development and to strengthen its brand globally. This is our current logo. And this is our new logo. This new logo is a modern modification of the original logo created by my grandfather at the time of our founding. The initials MK come from the founder, my grandfather Makoto Kashiyama. MK Kashiyama will continue to expand globally, building on our strengths of Japanese craftsmanship and friction material development passed down from Makoto Kashiyama. We've already launched this new logo in Japan from 2022, and it will start being used globally in various countries from 2024. We aim to launch the new logo smoothly with the cooperation of our partners in each country. We'd like to ask for your continued support of MK Kashiyama's brake components. ありがとう。